Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to hack. This time is Subway Surfers. In my last video I did bike race. I'll leave the link in the description. And yes, let's go. So what you have to do is download Lucky Patcher, and I showed it in my last video, but I'll show you again, which is go onto Play Store and Full Shared. Go onto Full Shared, create an account, and type in Lucky Patcher, and make sure it's version 557, that one there. Then you want to press the Android and then download it. When it's downloaded, Lucky Patcher is a smiley face there, and download Subway Surf from Play Store, of course. And yeah, so what you have to do is press Subway Surf, open menu patches, create modified APK file, APK rebuilded for in-app and LVL emulation. Press that, rebuild the app, and we'll wait until it's loaded. And guys, it is now downloaded. So now you want to press go to file, then you want to press Subway Surf. It comes up with two, so I've already hacked it, but it doesn't matter. Just press the Subway Surf and then press uninstall and install, which means uninstall the one that you downloaded from Play Store and install the new one that Lucky Patcher has given you. Let's see. Let's wait until this loads. So it has loaded, and press open. So Lucky Patcher, what it does, the way I did it, is take the in-app purchases for free. So you get the in-app purchases for free, so you get the coins for free, and you get all that. I'll show you how to do it now. Right, so first you have to play, of course. Okay, I have to do the tutorial. Not play. Okay. Oh my god, I didn't move. Right, let me just die here. Right, I'll show you. So what you have to do is press the add button at top, but just go home, shop. You see how everything's $0, so just press double coins, press it, and press yes. You got double coins. So you're gonna press plus, whatever how many coins that is, 00, yes, 00, yes, yes. As you can see, just get literally as much as you want. And keys also, 650 keys. Yeah, so you just buy a load of things that you want. Me, whatever you want to get. All these people you want. Boards. Yeah, so that's about it. Enjoy, guys. Please like, subscribe, and see you next video.